Welcome back to Business English Desk. I'm Laura.
And I'm Jamie.
And, okay, I have a confession.
Ooh, already?
I know, but listen. So last night, I was helping my little cousin with her homework.
Okay.
And she asked me, what does take apart mean?
Mm-hmm.
And I started explaining, and then I realized I used 3 other take phrases just while explaining that one.
Without even noticing?
Without even noticing.
That's the thing about phrasal verbs. Once you know them,
They just come out naturally.
every time.
And that is exactly why today's episode is so good.
Because today,
We are back in the take family.
round 3.
Round 3. Today we have take away,
Take along,
take apart,
take down.
4 expressions, so many real-life meanings.
Meanings you will actually use, not in a textbook, in real conversations.
Today,
Possibly before lunch.
very possibly. And if you are brand new here, welcome.
Hit that subscribe button.
Yeah, do that right now.
New episodes every single week.
And we make English feel like talking to friends, not studying alone.
Never studying alone.
Hard rule.
Always.
Okay, let's go.
Let's take it away.
Perfect start.
I planned that.
Okay, first one. Take away.
First thought, food.
Always food first.
Always.
And yes, that is one meaning. Let's just get a takeaway tonight.
Meaning, let's order food and eat it at home.
Right. In American English, it's takeout. In British English, it's takeaway.
Both understood everywhere.
Totally fine either way. Okay. Meaning 2. Take away means to remove something from a place or person.
Like physically removing it?
Yes. She took the pen away from the child.
She removed it. It's no longer with the child.
Right. Or professionally, the new policy took away certain employee benefits.
Ooh, that's more serious.
Very real. You might read that in an HR email.
Unfortunately.
Unfortunately. Okay, meaning 3. And this one is really important.
Tell me.
The takeaway, as a noun, means the main lesson or message from something.
Oh, like what you learned.
Exactly. What's your takeaway from the meeting?
Meaning, what's the main point you're leaving with?
Right. And this word is everywhere in professional settings.
What are the key takeaways?
Yes,
Every presentation.
every single one. My main takeaway is...
Sounds so polished.
Write that one down, listeners.
Seriously, use it in your next meeting.
You will sound incredible. And last meaning, in math, takeaway means subtract.
5 take away 2 is 3.
Yes, especially in British English. Children learn it this way.
Good to know.
Very good to know.
Okay, so take away,
Food to go,
removing something from a place or person,
the main lesson or message,
and subtraction in math.
4 solid meanings.
All very natural.
And now you'll never forget them.
All right, part 3. Take along.
Oh, this one is so practical.
First meaning,
Take along means to bring someone or something with you.
like not leaving them behind.
Exactly. She took her notebook along to the meeting.
She brought it with her.
Right. Or, can I take a friend along?
Meaning, can my friend come too?
Right. You're including someone.
That's such a natural question.
So natural. And notice something. Take along feels warm.
Yeah, it does.
Like you're not leaving anyone behind.
You're including people.
He always takes his kids along on business trips when he can.
That's sweet.
It really is. And professionally, I'll take the presentation slides along just in case.
Meaning, I'll bring them. Just being prepared.
Very practical. And take along also works when you're giving advice.
Oh?
Take a jacket along. It might get cold.
Meaning, bring a jacket. Don't forget it.
Right. A gentle reminder.
Like something a parent would say.
Exactly. Take an umbrella, dear.
Every mother ever.
Every single mother. But colleagues say it too.
Take your laptop along. There might not be computers there.
Practical. Thoughtful. Considerate.
All in 2 little words.
English is efficient like that.
So, take along means
Bring someone or something with you.
include others in your plans.
And remind someone gently to bring something.
Clean, simple, usable right now.
Before lunch.
Before lunch.
Okay. Part 3. Take apart.
Ooh, this one has some energy.
It really does. First meaning, take apart means to separate something into its pieces, to disassemble it.
Like literally breaking something down.
Yes. He took apart the old clock to see how it worked.
Dismantled it, piece by piece.
Right. You hear this a lot with technology, machinery, furniture.
We had to take apart the entire printer.
Every office nightmare.
Every office.
She took apart the IKEA shelf to move it.
Disassembled it, ready to move.
Very practical meaning. But then, meaning 2, and this one is more intense.
Intense how?
Take apart also means to criticize something very thoroughly.
Like tearing something apart intellectually?
Exactly. The critic took the film apart in his review.
He criticized it heavily, in detail.
Right. Found every flaw. Or in business, the investors took the business plan apart in the meeting.
They questioned everything, challenged every point.
Nothing left unexamined. That's a tough meeting.
Very tough. But sometimes you need that. Makes things stronger.
Exactly. And there's a third meaning.
Okay?
Take apart someone can mean to defeat them completely.
Like in competition?
Yes. Our team took theirs apart in the second half.
Completely dominated them.
No contest. Total victory. Very strong language, but sports commentators use it all the time.
We took our competitors apart at the trade show.
Meaning we outperformed everyone.
By a lot.
By a lot. So, take apart,
Physically disassemble something,
criticize or analyze harshly.
and completely defeat someone.
3 powerful meanings. All very real.
Especially that second one.
Because in professional life, ideas get taken apart all the time.
All the time.
And knowing that phrase helps you talk about it naturally,
Without sounding dramatic.
which is always the goal. Okay.
Last one. Take down.
This one, I love this one.
Why?
Because it goes from very simple to very dramatic.
The range.
The range is everything. Meaning 1, take down means to remove something from a higher position.
Like taking something off a wall.
Exactly. She took down the old posters from her office.
Removed them off the wall.
Right. Or they took down the decorations after the party.
Cleared everything up.
Very everyday.
Super practical.
Time to take down the Christmas tree.
Oh, the saddest sentence in January.
Every year without fail. Meaning 2, take down also means to write something down, to record information.
Like taking notes.
Exactly. Can you take down this address?
Write it down. Don't forget it.
Right. Or more formally, the officer took down his statement.
Recorded it. Every detail.
Official. Documented.
You hear this in police dramas constantly.
Absolutely. All the time. And in everyday work, let me take down your details.
I'll take down your number and call you back.
Yes. Very customer service. Very receptionist. Meaning 3. Here's where it gets dramatic.
I'm ready.
Take down means to defeat someone powerful, bring them down from their position.
That is dramatic.
The journalist's investigation took down the corrupt official.
Exposed them. Ended their career.
Right. Brought them down from power.
Very news headline.
Very. And in casual conversation, did you see how she took him down in that debate?
She completely defeated him. No comeback.
Right. She won decisively.
I feel that sentence.
Very vivid. And last meaning for take down, to remove something from the internet or a public platform.
Like deleting a post.
Yes, the video was taken down after complaints.
Removed from the platform, no longer visible.
Right, and you hear this in tech news constantly.
The content was taken down for violating guidelines.
Yes, very modern meaning.
Very 21st century.
Everyone understands it immediately.
So take down,
Remove something from a higher position,
write or record information,
defeat someone powerful,
and remove something from a public platform.
for very different meanings,
One very powerful phrase.
absolutely earning its place. Okay, exciting. Roleplay time.
Yes!
Two coworkers planning a company event.
Love a planning conversation.
So much vocabulary happens.
So much.
Ready?
Ready.
Okay. The event is next Friday. What's the main takeaway we want people to leave with?
I think we want them to feel inspired.
I love that.
And should we take along any printed materials?
Definitely. Take the brochures along and the sample kits too.
Good idea. Oh, did you hear the committee took apart our original proposal?
Gasp! When?
Yesterday's meeting, they questioned everything.
Okay. What do we take away from that?
That we need a stronger opening.
Right. And maybe take down some of the decorations we planned.
Which ones?
The big ones at the back. Too busy, apparently.
I'll take that down in my notes.
Perfect. And take along the revised plan to the next meeting?
Absolutely. Did everyone catch all of them?
Let's count. Take away,
Take along,
take apart,
take down,
take away again,
take along again,
take down twice.
all in one planning conversation.
None of them felt forced.
They just fit naturally.
Because they do.
Because they do.
Quiz time!
Let's go!
Listeners, fill in the blank.
Say it out loud.
Please say it out loud.
Every time.
It makes such a difference. Sentence 1. What's your main blank from today's training?
Takeaway.
The main lesson.
Yes.
Sentence 2. Don't forget to take your charger blank when you travel.
Take your charger along.
Bring it with you.
Never leave it behind.
The struggle is real.
So real.
Sentence 3. The new manager really blank the old system blank in her first review.
Took it apart.
She criticized it thoroughly.
Nothing survived.
Nothing.
Sentence 4. Can you blank her number blank and pass it to me?
Take it down. Write it down.
Perfect.
Last one.
The post was blank after thousands of complaints.
Taken down. Removed from the platform.
Claps beautiful.
Listeners, how did you do?
Drop your score in the comments.
We want to celebrate you.
Every single one of you.
Okay, let's bring it all home.
Takeaway.
Food to go.
Removing something from a person or place.
The main lesson or message.
And subtraction in math.
Take along.
Bringing someone or something with you.
Including others in your plans.
And reminding someone to bring something.
Take apart.
Physically disassemble something.
Criticize or analyze thoroughly.
And completely defeat someone.
And take down.
Remove something from a higher position.
Write or record information.
Defeat someone powerful.
And remove something from a public platform.
That was a really good episode.
I'm so proud of this one.
There it is.
I can't help it.
Same time every episode.
Consistent is my brand.
It really is. Before we let you go,
Your challenge this week.
pick just 2
Just 2 of today's phrases.
and use them somewhere real.
A conversation.
An email.
A message to a friend.
Even just say them out loud while you're making breakfast.
While you're on a walk.
Anytime, anywhere.
Because that is how language becomes yours.
Not from reading.
From using.
Over and over.
Until it just comes out naturally.
And then one day,
You don't even think about it.
it's just part of how you speak.
And that feeling, everything.
Come back and tell us which ones you used.
Drop it in the comments.
I used take apart in a presentation.
We will lose it with happiness.
Full joy.
If today helped you,
Give it a like.
it helps so much.
Subscribe if you haven't yet.
New episode every single week.
Share it with someone learning English.
Genuinely the best thing you can do for them. All right, everyone. This has been Business English Desk. I'm Laura,
I'm Jamie.
and we'll see you next week.
Take away something great from today.
Take your confidence along wherever you go,
Take apart every challenge.
and never let anything take you down.
Bye.
Bye!